Hey there, supercar enthusiasts! Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2024 Lamborghini URUS, the fierce and ferocious SUV that's causing a sensation in the automotive world. It's not your average SUV, that's for sure. Lamborghini, renowned for its powerful and luxurious sports cars, has once again pushed the boundaries of engineering and design with this beastly beauty. If you want to stay up to date with the latest and greatest rides, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss out on the hottest wheels hitting the market. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. All right, let's talk about what sets the 2024 Lamborghini URUS apart from the rest. This is not just any SUV. It's a Lamborghini through and through. While it may share a platform with other luxurious heavyweights like the Audi Q7, Q8, Porsche Cayenne, and Bentley Bentayga, the URUS boasts its own unique character and unmatched performance. Under the hood, you'll find a twin-turbo V8 engine that produces a mind-blowing 657 horsepower, making it a true mechanical bull ready to charge. What's new for 2024? So, what's new for the 2024 URUS? Well, Lamborghini has some exciting plans in store. CEO Stefan Winkelmann has confirmed that a hybrid powertrain will be introduced, either replacing or complementing the current V8 engine. This means even more power and efficiency packed into this already awe-inspiring SUV. Pricing and which one to buy. Now let's talk pricing. The URUS lineup offers different trims to suit your preferences and budget. The estimated prices are as follows. The URUS S starts at around $235,000, the Performant at approximately $270,000, and the Hybrid at an estimated $300,000. While the URUS S offers great value, if you're a true speed aficionado seeking maximum performance, we highly recommend going for the Performante. With its lower suspension, weight reduction measures, and larger 23-inch wheels wrapped in Pirelli P0 Trofeo R rubber, it's designed for the ultimate driving experience. Engine, transmission, and performance. Now let's delve into what makes the URUS a force to be reckoned with on the road. Powering this beast is a monstrous 657 horsepower twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine. The forthcoming hybrid powertrain is yet to be revealed, but we'll keep you updated on that exciting development. The URUS's engine emits a deep burble when idling, and when you unleash its full potential, it roars with raw power. With all-wheel drive, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and fantastic acceleration, this SUV rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, leaving a trail of awe in its wake. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Step inside the 2024 Lamborghini URUS, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that exudes pure drama and luxury, as expected from the prestigious brand. Taking design cues from jet fighters, the start button hides beneath a red flip cover, and the shifter resembles a jet's throttle, adding to the thrill of the driving experience. Fox suede and carbon fiber trim adorn the interior, creating a high-end and sporty atmosphere. The infotainment system and reconfigurable gauges, reminiscent of Audi's top-notch technology, provide a seamless and intuitive user experience. When it comes to passenger space, the URUS doesn't disappoint. The back seat offers ample room for passengers, accommodating between 2 and 3 people depending on the seating configuration. And let's not forget about storage. The URUS boasts a generous cargo area with up to 22 cubic feet of space. Just keep in mind that if you opt for the optional rear bucket seats, the cargo capacity decreases by 2 cubic feet. Infotainment and connectivity. Prepare to be wowed by the cutting-edge infotainment and connectivity features in the 2024 URUS. Equipped with a fully digital gauge cluster and 2 touchscreens integrated into the center stack, you'll have easy access to controls for the climate system, audio, and more. The graphics are crisp, and the icons are large, though some traditional knob and button enthusiasts may find the touchscreens less intuitive. But hey, it's all part of embracing the future of automotive technology. Safety and driver assistance features. Safety is always a top priority, even in a high-performance vehicle like the URUS. Lamborghini has made sure to equip the SUV with a range of standard and optional driver assistance technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go technology, a blind spot monitor, rear cross-traffic alert, and even available self-parking assist. With these features at your disposal, you can enjoy the thrilling ride while knowing that you're protected on the road. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Now let's talk about peace of mind. While Lamborghini's warranty may not be the lengthiest, lasting 3 years with no mileage cap, the brand does offer extended warranty and maintenance plans for those who desire additional coverage. The limited warranty covers 3 years and unlimited miles, and the powertrain warranty matches that duration. Keep in mind that complimentary scheduled maintenance is not included, but hey, when you're behind the wheel of a Lamborghini, the exhilaration of the ride is worth every penny. There you have it, folks, the 2024 Lamborghini URUS in all its awe-inspiring glory. If you've enjoyed diving into the world of the URUS with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more thrilling content.